Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. This is a lecture for class 6 subject English, and this is the third lecture of week 1. So today we will discuss the moral story. After that we will do some extra work. Moral story about pride hath a fall. Pride hath a fall. Hath is a old language, old English language. What it means have or has. Pride has a fall. गरूर का सर नीचा. Fall is the second form of verb of fall is the first form of verb. It means that गिरना. Okay, pride has a fall. गरूर का सर नीचा. Before starting our moral story, we should have to know the purpose of the moral story and what is moral story. Student, moral story is a lesson of a story. The moral of the story is supposed to be teach you how to be a better person. Everyone wants to be a better person of a society. So moral stories are those that help you a lot to make yourself better person of a society. So purpose of the moral story is, if you have a strong moral character, you are a good member of society. If you have a good character, everyone knows you by your character, then you are a good member of a society, and that will help you and your society as well. So you should have to read more and more moral stories further which are not included in your syllabus as well. So moral stories are very important for you. You will enjoy and you will learn something from the stories, and your in that case your vocabulary will be increased if you read it a lot. So if you have a free time, you should have to read the moral stories. And let's start today's moral story. And today's moral story is about the hare and the tortoise, because it is about the pride hath a fall, and we can say that slow and steady wins the race. This will be done on your notebooks. Your writing should be very neat. Mention proper date and day with the topic moral story, and also use the marker very well for it. And let's start our story. Once there lived two friends, a hare and a tortoise. You know very well what is hare, khargosh, and tortoise, kachwa. Both have different natures. Hare was arrogant. Arrogant means magroor, pride. जिसके अंदर pride हो उसको बोलते हैं arrogant. On the other hand, tortoise was humble. ठीक है, सीधा साधा humble था. Hare made fun of tortoise always. One day, he challenged a race to tortoise. CHALLENGED, challenge. Mostly we use second form of verb for the moral stories. They started race. When hare covered half of the distance, he stopped and looked back. There was no one, so he decided to take a sleep. Time went on passing, यानी वक्त गुजरता गया. Time went on passing. The tortoise passed from the spot slowly and reached the winning spot. Hare woke up and saw the tortoise already won the race. The hare was ashamed. He was pride to that he is a very fast and he can run very fastly. So he shows pride. And what is the end of the story? That tortoise won the race at the end, because he is continuously chased his goal. So moral is pride hath a fall. So this is your story. You can write it in your own words. Just recall to your mind, second form of verb is used for the moral stories. Okay, that is your story, and you should have to write it on your notebooks, and after that learn it. Students, after the moral story, we have conversational sentences. There are two conversational sentences. You can use it and practice it a lot with your circle. So first is, माफ़ कीजिएगा, मुझे आपकी समझ नहीं आई. जब आपसे कोई बात कर रहा हो, आपको समझ ना आए, तो आप ज़रूरी नहीं कि उर्दू बोलें, आप इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स यूज़ कर लें तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है. आई एम अफ्रेड आई couldn't get you. आई एम अफ्रेड आई couldn't get you. could not होता है, इसको couldn't बोलते हैं. Okay, contraction is used here. I am afraid I couldn't get you. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have got headache. When your mother asks you what happened, son or a daughter, then you can say that I have got headache. I have got headache. So these are two conversational sentences you should have to learn by heart and practice at home. After that we have word sentences, and I choose 4 words for you with meaning and part of speech as well. You make the sentences of these 4 words. First is avoid. Avoid is a verb. It means that alag ya parhez karna. Simple sentence you can make that I am avoiding you. Yes, Sarah is avoiding me. So sentence you will make to your own self. Straight, straight, straight. It is an adjective. सीधा. Disputed, verb. मुतनाज़ या झगड़ा किया. Dangerous, adjective. खतरनाक. It is very dangerous. Okay. Avoid, परहेज करना. Straight, सीधा. Disputed, झगड़ा किया. मुतनाज़ा, डेंजरस, ख़तरनाक. Disputed word is difficult for you, so I made a sentence of it. Ali disputed with me on this matter. Disputed, Ali disputed with me on this matter. अली ने मुझसे इस मामले में झगड़ा किया. Okay. I have made the sentence of disputed. Now it's up to you to make the sentences of avoid, straight and dangerous. Now students, we will recall our previous lecture that was present continuous is RM plus ing form. We can say the present participle. Present participle का ing form. It means that the action is continuously going on but not completed. So here are the translate into English. You should have to make sentences by using these Urdu sentences. First is हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं. You will make it to your own self. Don't ask to your elders. Okay. तुम मछलियाँ नहीं पकड़ रहे हो. नेगेटिव. क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं. लेटने की इंग्लिश होती है लाइंग. अब यहाँ पे मैंने आपको 2 सेंटेंस ऐसे दिए हैं जो आपके लिए चेंज होंगे. आप क्योंकि मैंने तो उसमें कहा था लास्ट वीडियो में कि ये रही है, रहा हूँ, रहा आता है, लेकिन ये तो डिफरेंट है. क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं. मैं खड़ा हूँ. So here is the problem that students are always facing is that how to elaborate and how to make the sentences like that. The answer of the question and the confusion is that क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं. That is continuously happening. That is the action that is continuously happening but not completed. Is there any suggestion or any indication tell us that it is completed? No, it is not completed. It is going on. मैं खड़ा हूँ. I am still standing. मैं खड़ा हूँ मतलब ये एक्शन चलता ही जा रहा है. क्या इसमें कोई एंड आया? No, there is not completion of the sentence. मैं खड़ा हूँ. I am standing. Is that clear now? जो सेंटेंसेस इस किस्म के आएंगे उसमें मतलब इसका मतलब है कि ये एक्शन कॉन्टीन्यूसली चल रहा है. इट्स गोइंग ऑन कॉन्टीन्यूसली एंड नॉट एंडिंग. सो इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ अ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस सेंटेंस. आई एम स्टैंडिंग. वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं. क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं. आर दे लाइंग ऑन द ग्रास. इज़ डैट क्लियर नाउ. सारा दौड़ नहीं रही है. वो शोर मचा रहे हैं. मेकिंग अ नॉइज. डैट इज़ यूज फॉर द शोर मचा रहे. क्या हमारे हम जमायत साथियों का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. दैट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट. आई विल टेल यू लेटर. हम कराची जा रहे हैं. क्या नसीमा सो रही है. मैं सबक याद कर रही हूँ. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स फॉर यू टू मेक सेंटेंसेस टू योर ओन सेल्फ. ओके. Write it on your notebooks and after that you will make the sentences. That these are all present continuous. Is rm plus ing form. Okay, the 7th one is क्या हमारे हम जमायत. That is the subject. क्या हमारे हम जमायत. That is the subject. Our class fellows. साथियों companion. Okay, that is object. That is verb, helping verb or verb we use. So there is kya, that is interrogative and that is plural. Our friend Okay, are class fellows waiting for companions, question mark. Okay, let's make the sentence. Are class fellows waiting for companions. कंपेनियंस भी लिख सकते हैं, फेलोज भी लिख सकते हैं, इट्स अप टू यू, क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो दिस इज priority is the completed. Are is used for helping verb for the subject according to subject, and after that we use ing form. It means that it is present continuous. Okay, so this is your homework as well. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडेज योर डायरी इज़ डू ट्रांसलेशन करनी है आपने, जो मैंने आपको बता दी हुई है ऑलरेडी, बहुत ज़्यादा इजी हो गई है अब आपके लिए. प्लस लर्न एंड राइट सेंटेंसेस, वो जो 4 सेंटेंसेस है जिसमें से एक डिस्प्यूटेड का मैंने आपको बता दिया हुआ है, बाकी 3 आपने खुद बनाने हैं, नोटबुक के ऊपर काम करना है. एंड मॉरल स्टोरी आपने लिखनी भी है, लर्न भी करनी है. और कन्वर्सेशनल सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस आपने करनी है. कन्वर्सेशनल सेंटेंसेस अगर आपको नहीं आएंगे तो आपके मार्क्स भी डिडक्ट होंगे, क्योंकि उसका आपका ओरल टेस्ट लिया जाएगा. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.